All right, so this is Jupiter. This is the first thing that you get when you go in. And as we can see, we have swaps, we have limit orders, DCA, we have bridge, and we have the perpetuals. So we are going to do a simple swap, and you're going to see how fast and cheap Solana actually is. We're going to select a few tokens. So see, we actually got some of this when token. It was some sort of airdrop that they gave us for free. So I'm just going to grab some of those when tokens and I'm going to swap them for more Sol. So I have more stuff to pay for the fees. I have 160,000 when tokens. I'm just going to do half. It's $6.66. And yeah, so in the background, they are looking for the best place to do this particular swap, the when token for the Sol token. And I'm just going to click. We can see here that it's going through the Orca DEX and then through the Phoenix. So it's doing 3 hopes to get us the best possible price. And we're just going to swap. This is going to prompt our wallet to pop up at the, right now I have, yeah, okay. So here it's telling me like this is the amount of Sol I'm going to earn. This is the amount of when I'm going to lose. And the network fee, this is the interesting thing, is 0.1234 zeros and a 3. Now, Solana is worth at this stage $103. So if it has 4 zeros, that means that it's less than 1 cent. And the transaction already went through. So as you can see, less than 1 cent and instant. That's the beautiful thing about Sol. That's what makes it like that. That is the reason why it's getting so much attention.